Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So yesterday we came back to the gap, and I'm just going to use this level we've got here. Our gap was pretty much over there. We came back and closed the gap. Hasn't really hit a level, so for me the level is a little bit further down. Oh, I lie. That's why you look to the left. Let's just get here. So there's a major level there, which is where the gap was. We came back and we tested it, and we bounced off it. Now the trick is to see what today's bar brings. Okay, so you can see there's our level there. Okay, let's get back up here and to the 3 hour. So at the moment, we also have another breakout. So let's just take that level. There's our 3 hour level there. We broke below it, we've closed above it, so that would also need to be tested. So that's a line in the sand at the moment, which is 29,686. That would be an area to buy off for me. Okay, one thing that we do have at the moment though is a bit of a trend line forming to the downside. And you can see the seller stepped in off that level. So remember, we've still got a lot of political noise happening in the US right now, and we've also got a lot of coronavirus noise around the globe. So for me at the moment, it's kind of, I want to be going with the trend is up, but I also want to exercise a bit of caution at the moment, because there's a big move down and there's a big move up. So, and it's big move up, big move down, big move up, big move down, big move up, big move down, which is basically confusion. Okay, remember we spoke about this triangle yesterday, we've broken it, and we're now testing the triangle. And another interesting bit of price action here is wherever you have a triangle forming, at the apex of the triangle, price always tends to come back to the apex of the triangle. It sometimes comes back to the apex and then continues on its move, or it comes back to the apex and then breaks up and uses the apex as its level of support. This is something interesting that I've picked up through the years. So whenever you see triangles, triangle breakouts typically happen, but you need to take your profit pretty quickly, because 9 out of 10 they come right back to the apex of the triangle. Okay, so that's exactly what's happened, and now the big question is where to from here. Okay, so for me, this area, this breakout here, 29678, I'd want to see what happens here. If we can get back here, hold it, and start getting some bullish price action, that would be a fairly decent area for a long. Let me just get a measurement here. 180 point stop loss, because you'd want to be below the swing low. Okay, and the problem is you've got all this congestion here, so your target is going to be somewhere in this area for now, which is 29,900, and at the up end of that would be 30,000. So yeah, it's a bit of a tough one at the moment. We are sideways, and typically when we're sideways like this, I want to stay out of it. So I think the opportunity has happened. You've had the opportunity to buy into this straight back to the apex as your target, but for now I think you need to wait for the next bit of structure, and right now it is sideways. And I'm going to just move that to there, and you can see it does look like it's a potential flag forming. Okay, so with that, it's wait and see. Once we start breaking through 29,899, come back and test this area, you have a measured move play of the flag breakout. Okay, so there's your move up, this is your consolidation flag, and then that takes us probably to some round number 30,660, 650. 30,650 I think would be a reasonable area to get. But 30,000 would obviously be your first area to target. Once you're through 30,000, then you'd be looking at 30,600. But that is the potential here. So for me, wait, watch, and see what transpires with this flag. If we do get up and test this area here, then 30,000 would be the first target, then 30,600 would be the second target, and the third target would be 30,650. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Still obviously looking to go with the trend to the upside, but waiting for confirmation now before we jump in on it. Anyway, hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.